students, a very big and warm welcome to all of you. I hope you all are doing great. So children, before starting the session, let me introduce myself to you. This is Pooja Rawat and today I am going to teach you an interesting subject which is computer. So tell me children, what do you mean by computer? What is computer and how computer work? Why computer is so important for us? So we are going to find out about this in our very first chapter. So let's start the chapter. Operating a computer. In our previous classes we have learned about the input-output processing of a computer, about input devices and output devices. Now we are going to learn about how a computer works, about its operating system. So tech goals of this chapter are: learn how to start a computer, understand about icons, start button, maximize and close buttons, learn how to shut down a computer. So these are the major topics which we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let's boot up. Color the following cartoon, give it a name and write what it stores. So it is a pen drive, or you can say a flash drive. It stores a lot of data. Like you can store images, videos, your documents in this small pen drive. Hello little explorers, this chapter will teach you how to operate a computer by turning it on and using features like icons, the start button and maximizing windows. You will learn the simple steps for starting up your computer and exploring its screen, as well as how to safely shut it down when you have finished your work. Let's get ready to discover how to manage your computer like a pro. So in this chapter we are going to learn about a computer is a delicate machine. So we have to start it on very nicely, perfectly, and we have to shut it down very nicely and perfectly. So first we are going to learn about how to start a computer. Follow these simple steps to start your computer. Step 1. Find the power button. The power button is usually on the front or side of the computer. Press it gently to turn on the computer. Step 2. Watch the screen light up. When you press the power button, the computer's screen will light up. Step 3. Say hello to the computer. So first you have to switch on the main power button where your computer is connected to. Then you have to wait for some time and you have to put on or turn on the monitor's power button. Then you have to wait for some time and you will see a screen and you can say hello to your computer. When the computer starts, you will see colorful pictures and words on the screen. This is called the desktop, and a horizontal bar at the bottom is called the taskbar. So first screen, when your monitor is on, you see a desktop and you see a taskbar, a blue like a plain border on the bottom. Icons are symbols on the computer. They help us find our favorite things on the computer. So these small pictures are called icons. They resemble or they represent any file or folder. Start button. When we click on the start button, colorful menus appears and we can find all the amazing items on the computer. So whenever we click on the start button, we see a list of programs which we can choose from. Maximize and close. Maximize. When we click on maximize, the window becomes as big as the computer screen. Close. When we click on the close, the window disappears. So at the title bar you see a maximize and close window. So maximize is to maximize or to fit the screen to the monitor, and close button is to disappear the window or to exit the window. Now it is very important to know how to shut down the computer. Just like we say goodbye to our friends after school, we need to say goodbye to the computer too. Step 1, click on the start button. Step 2, in the menus that appears, find the shutdown button. Step 3, click on shutdown and wait for computer to say goodbye. See you soon. So First you have to click on start button, then you see a menu. In the menu you see a start shutdown button, and you have to click on shutdown button, then you have to wait for few seconds, then your computer will automatically shut down. Now memory reload. The first display screen that appears on starting a computer is known as desktop. The desktop consists of icons and taskbar. A long horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen is known as a taskbar. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. So in this chapter basically we learn how to turn on the computer and how to shut down the computer, and also about the different things which we see on our desktop. Check your learning. Pick the correct option. The first display screen is known as desktop. Second, the small pictures on the desktop are called icons. A long horizontal bar at the bottom is known as taskbar. To turn the computer off is called shutdown. Next activity is write T for true and F for false. The first display screen on the starting computer is known as desktop. Yes, it is true. The desktop consists of icons and taskbar. It is also true. The small pictures on the desktop are called taskbar. No, it is wrong. The small pictures are called icons. When we click on maximize, the window becomes as bigger as a computer screen. Now fill in the missing letters. So first one is computer, second is desktop, third is icons, fourth is taskbar, fifth is maximize, and sixth is buttons. So next activity is match the following. As you see, desktop, so you will match it with desktop is the first display screen on starting a computer. Icons are small pictures on the desktop. Third, a taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen, and shutdown is the action of turning the computer off. So an activity is given here. Draw a journey of your computer's day. Start with the computer waking up, powering on, then show it working with colorful icons and windows. At the end of its day, the computer goes to sleep. Shut down, use bright colors and label each part of the journey. So what you have to do, you have to draw a journey of a computer, like how you start your computer, how you work on computer, and after working on computer, how you shut it down. You have to draw the journey, or you can write the steps also with that journey of the computer. So children, I hope you understood whatever we have done in this session. Now you will revise the chapter, and yes, do not forget to practice the exercise.